Hello, my dearest children. Welcome back to my SST class. Today, we'll start a new chapter from economics, that is the chapter 1 development. So, just check out what are the learning objectives of this chapter. So, क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं हम लोग ये चैप्टर में ये देखते हैं. So, first one, meaning of development, goals of development, income and other goals, national development, how to compare different countries or states. Next, public facilities, BMI, Human Development Report, Sustainability of Development. What do you mean by the word development? Development is simply defined as the process of growth, means becomes more mature or more advanced. Okay, so from a crawling baby to a grown up boy. So what kind of development is it? Obviously, physical development. So development is a multidimensional concept. It involves the dynamic interactions of numerous factors. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the real meaning of development. Gandhiji used the term development in a very broad sense to mean the total development of the society. So development is a process by which the real national income and per capita income of a country increases along with the number of poor people, and the unemployed person also falls. Okay, the average standard of living improves. I am going to repeat this. Development is a process by which the real national income and per capita income of a country increases along with the number of poor people, and the unemployed persons also falls. The average standard of living improves. How do we measure development, actually economic development for a country? So development of a country can be measured with the help of a method called national income. Development is to lead a long and healthy lives, to be knowledgeable, to have access to the resources needed for a decent standard of living, and to be able to participate in the life of the community. What is the importance of development? Development is a continuous process. It gives rise in the level and quality of life of the population. Development actually visible and useful for everyone. People enjoy basic human welfare due to the development. So development बहुत ही positive aspect है. But why do some develop and other remain poor? इसका आंसर है need and wants. So need is something that is required to survive. I am going to repeat. Need is something that is required to survive. A need is something we and our family must have in order to live safe and healthy life. A want is something that an individual desires but would be able to live without that particular thing. Okay, so we want something that we and our family spends money on and enjoys but doesn't need. For example, you need a pen for your writing, but you want a Parker pen for your writing. So, needs are essential items required for life, and wants are very luxurious item make life more comfortable or suitable. Let's move to the next topic, and that is development goals or aspiration. So different people have different developmental goals because their aspirations, wants, desire, aims, needs, as well as their life situations are different from each other. This term developmental goals is a conflicting in nature. Why? Because development for some may be harmful for others. Just for example, being a teacher मेरे लिए development है कि सबके पास access होना, resource होना चाहिए, enough resource education को access करने के लिए. So it is not mandatory that everyone wants educational development. So developmental goals का concept person to person vary करता है. So द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई द कन्फ्लिक्ट, ये कन्फ्लिक्ट किस कारण होता है. ओके, द अवेलेबल रिसोर्स इज लिमिटेड एंड इट्स यूज फॉर वन पर्पज क्रिएट द सिचुएशन where it cannot be used for any other purpose. Example, on a particular piece of land we can either build home, a school, a hospital, a club or a mall. So youth generation को क्या चाहिए? क्लब चाहिए. जिसके पास मेडिकल फैसिलिटी इतना अच्छा नहीं है जो एरिया पे, उसको हॉस्पिटल चाहिए. जहाँ पे एजुकेशन इतना अच्छा नहीं है उसको स्कूल चाहिए. जिसके पास शेल्टर नहीं है उसको होम चाहिए, इज ना. और बिजनेस पर्सन जो है उनको चाहिए मॉल. सो डेवलपमेंट गोल्स concept is fully based upon priorities. Dear children, in your NCERT book, economics NCERT book, page number 4, table 1.1, developmental goals of different categories of person, please fill this chart. Okay, you can add something more, categories of person and their developmental goals and aspiration. Okay, so that's the end of today's session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye, take care and happy learning.